You can easily create a YouTube channel in just 2 to 3 minutes using your cell phone. Let me tell you how to do that. Now the first thing that you should be doing is download YouTube app from your Play Store. Now once you do that, open the app. Right at the top, you find this icon. So just click on the icon and it says sign in. Okay. So I'm going to click on sign in. Now once you do that, it is going to show all of your YouTube channels and Gmail IDs if you already have it. But what we are going to do here is we are going to click on add account. Okay. Then just click on continue. Now first we'll create a new Gmail ID and after that we are going to create a YouTube channel. So let me tell you how to create a Gmail ID first. So right here you have the option where it says as a create account. Just click on create account. Okay, it says for myself or to manage my business. I am going to select as myself. So once I do that, it is going to ask the first name and surname, which is optional. So let me mention as Sriram Benur. Okay, I'm going to give the same name here and I'm going to click on next. Okay, now it is asking for the basic information. Enter your birth, day and gender. Let me enter that. Okay, so let me select the gender and click on next. So choose your Gmail address to okay. So since that ID is not there, it is giving me other options. So let me select as benur@gmail.com and I'm going to click on next. Okay, so create a strong password. Again, you need to use a combination of letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, only then it is going to accept the password. So let me quickly set the password. So I have set the password. Now I am going to click on next. So add a phone number. Let me enter my phone number here. Okay, so I'm going to click on yes, I'm in. Now you'll be getting a OTP to confirm your account. So let me enter the OTP and I'm going to click on next. So it says you already have an account. It looks like you are already having an okay. Choose your account to sign in now. So there are all these accounts. I'm going to say as continue creating a new account. Okay. So I'm going to click on next. Privacy and terms. I'm going to click on I agree. Okay. So now the Gmail account has been created. Okay. Now if you see here, it is going to show something like this. Okay. Sriram Benur, benur@gmail.com. Okay. So that's the ID that is there. Right below that, it says your channel. Just click on your channel. Now it is saying okay, select the picture. I'm going to click on the icon here and I'm going to say as choose from the photos. I have already created an image for that. I'm going to select the image. I'm going to click on save. Okay, now I have set a image as well. Okay, now what is the channel name that you want? So it says name as Sriram Benur. I want as, say for example, Sriram Benur Tech. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Now again, while keeping the name for your channel, please make sure that okay, nobody has kept the same name. Okay, if they have kept the same name, then try to make your channel name slightly different. It's always better that your channel name is short, easy to remember and unique. Only when all these three criteria are met, it is going to be very effective. And only when your channel is unique, that's when it is going to come in the top YouTube search as well. Okay, so do that again. By default, it has given me the handle as well, Sriram Benur Tech. So that's what I want. Just click on create a channel. And once you do this, your channel is ready. Okay. So now, if I go to your channel, okay, right. See, right now my channel is created. Okay. So good. Now you're all ready to upload your video as well. So this is how simple it is to create a channel. Now once you do that, you can just click on the create button to either create a short or upload a video or go live and all those things. Now there are a lot of settings that you also need to do so that your channel can come in the top search and your videos can get the views as well. So just click on this end screens to watch a complete video on how to do the settings in the right way. If this video is informative, then please do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any informative videos. And if you have any questions related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.